Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream marble cake with a cell cake topper using a spring rolls. So if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, I wanted to mention that in next week's video coming up this Sunday, it was a very requested one. You guys wanted a full-on tutorial on how I go about with my buttercream. So I'll answer most of all your questions in that particular video coming up Sunday. So all about buttercream and my recipe that I use in all my videos and all that good stuff. So that's enough talking, and let's get to the actual video. So this is how I made this beautiful cake. Very simple to make. You can choose whatever color you want for the marble effect. And basically it's just you add some color and you remove more or less whatever you want. If you want a smooth effect, then you just scrape off more. If you like that lumpy effect, then you just scrape off less. And that's for that. And also for the cell cake toppers, what I did is that I used spring roll wrappers. Very simple to use. You can buy this at the grocery store. And also, by the way, all the ingredients that I use, not the ingredients, but the tools that I use are actually in my description box down below if ever you guys are interested. So the links are there, or they're also on my Amazon store where I use, I think I called it my favorite tools. So if you click there, you will see all the tools are there. So yeah, so basically what this is just a transparent sheet like that, okay? And then you just put it in water. It doesn't have to be cold, it doesn't have to be warm, it doesn't have to be, it's just in water. So you dip it in the water until it becomes malleable, and then you're going to mold it using parchment paper, and then you just leave it there a couple of hours, even overnight, and then you will see it will remove itself from the actual parchment paper, and then you'll have your piece. That's for the long pieces. For the flowers itself, it's the same concept really. So you just have to cut whatever shape that you want, and then you stack them together. You can use steam, or you can also use piping gel, or even buttercream, or even water in between, and then they will just stick to themselves, because this actually, when it's wet, it's very, very sticky. So it's actually perfect to create flowers, which I haven't seen a lot online. I see most of it like cell cake toppers, like the long ones, but not the actual flowers. So I don't know why people are having, I don't know. I think it's a little bit more time consuming, but I think it's really nice on a cake. And what I like about this also is that when you put it in water, you can actually tint your water with liquid food coloring or gel food coloring. Or you can even paint it afterwards when it's completely dry. You can use, like I did, I use edible metallic paint, and you can use that. And you can make it also very shiny by using a product that I use a lot. It's the Wilton glitter powder. I love that product. It's just very shiny, and so you can use that too, and you can also use it for your cake to make it shiny. And basically that is pretty much it. And then to glue them together, for the big pieces, what I did is that I just sticked it to my cake directly. And for the flowers, I glued it with buttercream, and then they just stay very nice. And it goes very well in the fridge. It doesn't lose their shape. They don't come mushy or what. They really stay hard. So that's another thing that I really like, because like that you don't have to put it last minute. You could literally like stack your cake together, put it in the fridge, and not even worry about it. It won't damage the topper or anything. So that's about it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.